It's another African New Year, and the Zulu royal family have started the Reed dance. Virginity testing is a crucial component ahead of the Reed dance and is conducted by respected maiden minders. However, the practice is viewed by some organizers as violation of human rights. Cultural expert Hlengiwe Ngcobo says maidens are not forced to attend.
Being given to King Mrs. Zulu by his daughter, thousands of more maidens have flocked into the palace and they are laying their reeds down now. And we've been speaking about the event serving as a celebration of Zulu culture and a form of cultural education, promoting moral support, sisterhood as well. But I think it's also very important to talk about the customs.
TikTok, please don't strike my video because this is not nudity, this is part of our culture.
And she is here today with white feathers. I don't know if you can see her on your screens right now. White feathers and a red headgear. She was chosen 3 weeks ago in Eswatini, and we see her here today. She has been walking with the maidens to hand over her reed.
This is so nice and I admire this. And you know what's the nice thing about the Zulu culture and the Swati culture? These kingdoms, the two of them, are the last oldest kingdoms in Africa that were not colonized and completely wiped off. Think about it. Which other kingdom is left besides the Zulu and the Swati? Think about it very well. So yeah, man, it's a nice celebration, nice cultural moment.